Hi everyone, I'm Stuart and welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. In today's class, we'll be looking at listing describing words. This is also sometimes referred to as coordinate adjectives. Let's look at a quote that uses today's grammar. Tall and slim women are more likely to live until the age of 90, study reveals. Or how about this picture? Here we have a happy, lively and well-behaved puppy. Or how about this living room? Here we can see a beautiful pink, green and white design. Let's look at the use. We use this structure to describe a noun by listing multiple adjectives from the same category. But what does that mean? Let's explore. Here we have a table that shows the traditional adjective word order. We can see there are different categories. We've got determiners, we've got opinion, we've got facts, and we've got nouns. This allows us to make sentences like the expensive black cotton shirt, or these nice, big, old, circular Chinese mirrors, or two delicious, large, square Italian pizzas, or my cool, new, white, plastic shopping bag. All of these examples are using one adjective from one category. When we do this, we don't need to say and. But what if we use lots of adjectives in the same category? Here we can see that there are multiple adjectives in the same category. For example, here we've got 3 in color, here we've got 3 in specific, and here we've got 3 in age. In this kind of sentence, we have to say and. For example, these expensive white, green, and black cotton pants are smart, interesting, and handsome young man. The old and new designs. Let's look at the structure. Step 1. Make a sentence using an adjective and a noun. For example, he is an interesting guy. Step 2. Add a second adjective from the same category using and. He is a smart and interesting guy. Step 3. Add additional adjectives from the same category before and. He is a kind, smart, and interesting guy. So here's the structure. Subject, verb, determiner, adjective, adjective, and adjective noun. He is a kind, smart, and interesting guy. Here is the second structure. We can also cut the noun. It becomes he is kind, smart, and interesting. Okay, so there's a few points we need to remember when using this grammar. The first point is we can link the adjectives using and. A kind, smart, and interesting guy. Or we can link the adjectives using a comma. A kind, smart, interesting guy. Both of these are fine. And we can put the adjectives in any order because they're from the same category. So we can say a smart, interesting, and kind guy, or a kind, smart, and interesting guy. They're exactly the same. Let's do some practice. I have some activities. I'd like you to use the hints in those activities to practice making example sentences. When you say the answer, of course, please make sure to speak out loud, except if you're on a bus or something, because then you'll look strange. All right, let's jump in. Here is the example. She is a woman, smart, beautiful. She is a smart and beautiful woman. The category of this would be specific opinion. All right, now it's your turn. I'll give you 3 seconds to complete each activity. Let's go. This is my knife, cooking, hunting. 3, 2, 1. This is my cooking and hunting knife. I love her outfit, red, gold. 3, 2, 1. I love her red and gold outfit. She read a story, romantic, psychological, tragic. 3, 2, 1. She read a romantic, psychological, and tragic story. The new manager is polite, disciplined, strict. 3, 2, 1. The new manager is polite, disciplined, and strict. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. Today's lesson was listing multiple describing words using coordinate adjectives. If you'd like to see more videos, make sure you subscribe. We'll try and release new videos every week. If you could share this content with your friends, that would be fantastic. If you want to practice the grammar from today's lesson, leave a comment below. And if you could like this video, that would mean a lot. Thank you. Bye.